Hello YouTube family, it's your girl Cole Woods and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this new product that I picked up from TJ Maxx that I'm really excited to try. I think it's going to make a world of difference. I really like the brand, but I think it's going to make a world of difference in my traveling makeup routine. So the product today is the Impressions TouchPad Mini, perfect vanity light for travel. So I'm going to be unboxing and giving it a try. So if you want to know more about this product, stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So I was in TJ Maxx. If you don't know, right now I'm actually at the Kimberly Hotel in New York City, and I am doing a staycation where I am treating myself to 2 nights of self-care in partnership with the Kimberly Hotel. So for this staycation, I stopped over at TJ Maxx to grab a few things, and this lovely little thing caught my eye, and for the price I just had to throw it in the bag. It was $17 at TJ Maxx, and you know, I really thought I could use something like this because sometimes when you're traveling you can't rely on any place that you're going to have good lighting. So it's nice to have something like this to travel with, to always ensure that you got what you need. Modelpreneur 101 is stay ready, so you ain't got to get ready. So I'm currently unboxing. I should have said that. I'm trying it for the first time. I just took it out of the package. So this is what it looks like. Charge port right there, and it comes with charging cord. So I'm gonna go ahead and because I don't think it's charged already, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug her up. Let me plug it in this. Okay. Am I putting that in right? Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Plug it into the USB here. It is USB, so okay. Open her up and bend it back like that so it acts as a stand. And oh, that's bright. That's nice. That is nice. Okay. All right. So it is a little low. Maybe I'm going to put it on top of the box and give it a little bit of height. Okay. Oh, and it adjusts. It adjusts. So you guys can't really see it, but press and hold here, and that adjusts the light up, down. That's nice, right? I like that. And it's so cute and easy to store. Like, I am definitely going to get a lot of use out of this product. All right. So I am going to go ahead and beat my face down using this Impressions Vanity Pad Mini. And I'm going to come back to you guys with the finished look. Okay, so an eternity later, I have finally finished my makeup. My hair could use some curls, but not bad. I love it. I love it. Let me show you guys again. This is the, and it does a warm light too. So light off. Let's do that. So I just used this Impressions Vanity Pad Mini to do my makeup look for today. I'm gonna go ahead and create some content, and I will post the pictures that I do take on my Instagram. You could also find them on my blog, but I'll link both of those in the description box below so you guys can check that out. I'll also put a link to this handy little thing so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70.